In this section, we're going to look at picture styles and also picture borders. So this first picture we'll leave as the original version. If I double click on the second picture here, notice up here you've got picture styles. So I click on this second icon, it'll look like that, it puts a border around it. Let's try the third picture here. I'll click on that, looks like that. Let's try the next one, we'll click on here, and the picture has dropped down to here. Let's try the next one. We'll click on maybe this one here. Gives it a rounded edge. Let's click on the next one here. We'll click on this icon here. Let's go down to the next picture. Double click on it and we'll select this option. Let's double click on this picture and let's select this one, this oval option. How about this one, the next one? Let's click on here. Click on this one here, another option. Let's click on here and we'll go for this last option. Let's double click on this one here, and if you click on the down arrow here you'll see you've got more options, so we'll go for this option here. Let's go to the next picture, so here we go. We'll click on the down arrow here and we'll select maybe that option there. Let's double click on this one and try this option. Double click on this one, click on the down arrow again. Let's click on that option so it's kind of tilted to one side. Notice if you wanted to, you could sort of drag this around so you could tilt it more or less. In fact, let's do that. Let's go like so, or let's just drag that around so you can tilt it any which way you want. Right, let's go to the next one. Again, we'll go down here and let's go for, say, that option. Let's go for the next one. And let's go for one. Let's try that one. There we go. Let's try this one and we will apply that option there. Let's double click on this one and let's try maybe that option there. Let's double click here. And what else have we got? Maybe that one. Let's try this one. Let's try maybe this one. Let's try this one. And we'll go for this option here. And here we'll select the last option, which is that one, which is dropped down there. So if I scroll back up to the top here, you see there's the original picture. And as you can see, with the click of a button you can put nice borders around them with different styles and everything. Down here you can have sort of rounded edges, you can have a large black border there. If we come down here, again you've got a thin straight black border there. And here we've got a sort of oval type shape and another effect here. So as you've seen, with minimal effort you can produce really interesting effects. It's like this one here. You know, it's sort of skewed slightly and rounded here. If we go down, what else have we got? We've got the slightly oblique pictures here, oblique edges there, and a sort of 3D type effect there. If we come down, yet more options as we've seen. So this is quite nice, the rounded options. That one's quite a nice one. And some more options there. And then that one there at the end. So as you can see, there's a lot of different picture styles you can have. Do remember, of course, if you want to reset it, you just double click on it, click on reset image, and then it's back to the way it was. That one there is quite a nice effect, I think. So as I say, you pick your own effects, but a lot to choose from there.